Okay, listen up, because this is a warning you do not want to ignore. I'm talking about artificial intelligence. Yeah, the thing everyone's obsessed with right now, but here's the twist. We might be using it all wrong. Not just wrong, but dangerously wrong. This isn't coming from a random internet commenter. This warning is from Edgar Alberto Postrato, the actual discoverer of the topic of intelligence. Let that sink in. The person who literally defined what intelligence is sounding the alarm about how we're using AI today. Here's the deal. Most people, tech companies, even scientists, are building and using AI without even understanding what intelligence really means. Think about that for a second. We call these systems artificial intelligence, but if we don't even have the scientific correct definition of intelligence nailed down, what are we actually creating? Postrato says this is a recipe for disaster. Why? Because if you build something based on a misunderstanding, you end up with something totally unpredictable, and possibly dangerous. It's like building a skyscraper without understanding gravity. Sure, it might stand for a while, but eventually, it's gonna come crashing down. Here's where it gets really intense. Postrato warns that our misuse of AI isn't just a technical problem. It could plunge the whole world into ignorance. Yeah, you heard that right. Instead of making us smarter, our obsession with AI, without understanding what intelligence actually is, could make us dumber. It could scar the academic and scientific world for generations. And here's the kicker. Somebody's going to pay for this ignorance. Not just in lost opportunities or wasted money. The price could be way more painful. We're talking about a deep, lasting scar on how humanity understands itself, and how we shape our future. So what's the takeaway? Before we rush to build the next big AI, before we trust these systems with our decisions, our data, even our lives, maybe it's time to hit pause. Maybe it's time to ask, do we really understand what we're creating? Are we building tools that help us,